Anyway, useful shenanigans. Look at this. So, is that showing? It is. Oh God, I'm right on top. All right. The what? Oh yeah. Anyway, so this is how I do my audio. You see all these global audio devices? Yeah, none of that. Also, I might have an unreasonable amount of sources. I don't use any of those. That was the wrong button. Hey, there's a studio mode. I could use that. Am I? No. None of that. Anyway, I'm using, since I'm using, they're all these. They're all, where's it? I'm using a plugin for each dedicated thing. So Mixer In, that's some roundabout stuff. Anyway, so that's Mixer In, shows up USB audio codec. It's an Alesis 8-channel mixer. It's a plugin. Hang on. I don't know where the thing is. Logs? Whatever. No, it's I use a plugin. It's audio capture. I'm gonna find it in editing. Let's put this back up. We're out of the menu. I have to turn it off for the menu. We're on my Just Chatting view. My Just Chatting view is messed up. So the side effect is that you can have whatever you want popped up. Let's turn that off so I can find another friend without y'all seeing. Where's Raycall? Yeah, so that lets you do things like this. Oops. Let's just drag that off. Look at that. That's Raycall sounds. They're fucking glorious. Also, just they're nice. But you have no audio from there. There is no audio there. And then Mistress Mix, who I currently muted. Raycall. I can bring up whoever. Like, here's Eliminate. I'm pretty sure that would just be rude to pop their audio up. Also, pro tip. Muting tabs, you count as a viewer, you are contributing. You know, gotta hear it all. Hi Rave, how you doing? Yeah, I'm gonna be reposting this to YouTube after I've given every word that YouTube doesn't like a nice error sound. I feel sorry for my editor. Been napping. Oh yeah, I had I've been doing stuff too. Anyway, I'm not even using my normal screen. I'm now, because I normally put everything up on the left monitor. What I'm doing goes on the right monitor. Okay, another cool trick. Dock everything. If it's useful, dock it. I also have audio mixer here, scene transitions. I don't push stats. Buttons. Let's reset that. I don't think I've gone into the red. I think everybody's having problems but me. Anyway, so cool trick. So, and I'm gonna like edit in links or some crap. Oh my god, I actually didn't mess up. Anyway, I'm going to edit in links as I can find them to the OBS plugins that let you do dedicated specific audio capture. Mixer in, which you can see freaking out because that's the only audio you guys are getting. Unless I hit go on Spoofy. I'm not going to hit go on Spoofy right now. Mixer in is literally a mixer. It gets much funnier because I have a full audio rack going, and it's going through a dedicated audio recording device. But Windows doesn't like that. I'm on Windows. I wish I could do everything on Linux, but I can't. That's fine. And then I have like monitoring stuff. Anyway, so the processing happens in real time, but Windows is slow. So what I'm doing is it's processing in real time. It has 2 channels in. Wait, can I do it? GIF hand. Oh, it works when 2 channels in, 2 channels out. Fingers. Close enough. And I have the out. I have it all gets processed and then sent back over a wire. And so it gets processed and sent over a wire and then back through, and then it comes in the mixer. It's not getting processed on the mixer, but it is literally just faster to not deal with it. I also have a couple other nifty little pluggy any doodles. But is there this is the laziest way to show stuff. That's the other thing. I do not stream at home monitor. I do dedicated game or window capture only. So, but this made sense at the time. But it lets you do stuff like dedicated channels for everything. It all shows up in the mixer. Yes, I just throw videos for like There's No Tomorrow. It's bad. I have a problem. Oh, and I have another channel that's when I'm not running my I/O. But it's super nice. And then if you dock your mixer, like, it's really helpful. Well, that should be audio. We're going to hit the button.